What's going on, everyone? It is Kieron the Barber and I'm back with another video. Today we are doing a mid-skin fade. We're getting that diffuser out. We're giving Javid some nice looking curls today. How are you all? How you been? I know it's been a while, but we are back. Today we are going to be using a full Gamma set. Big shout out to Gamma Plus NA, Gamma Plus North America. They have supplied me with these Gamma tools, and let me just tell you right now, they are incredible. So starting out with my Gamma Proteges, honestly one of the sharpest trimmers I have ever used. They debulk really nicely. They're just a really good all-round trimmer. So now I'm about to use the Uno foil. It's a singular foil. Trick I learned about dry shampoo. Spraying dry shampoo just before you foil shave. Two things it does. It gives the skin a barrier, so it protects the skin when you're full shaving, but also it goes on very cold, so it makes the hair stand on end, therefore giving you a closer shave. Honestly, since doing the dry shampoo trick, I don't not do it now. It's the best thing that I've ever used with shaving. Creates a barrier, clients feel at ease, they say it's not rubbing as much. The fact that I can see all the hair, and when I've missed hair, you can visibly see it with the dry shampoo. And yeah, it just gets a lot closer. So here's a little trick with the full shaver. So now, my favourite, my absolute baby, the Apex, right? They named the game after it, Apex Legends, because this clipper is an absolute legend. It's in between a Wool Senior and an Andis Master. It has the capabilities and the power of the Senior with the heaviness and the great feeling of the Master. And the best thing is, it comes with magnetic guards. I couldn't live without magnetic guards now. So now what we're going to do is we're going to be removing the hair bit by bit, going down through the guards and then going open and close with no guard on, just to start getting that fade in. So guys, I hope you're enjoying my video. Let me know where you're from in the world. Are you from America? Are you from the UK? Are you from India, Mexico, Brazil, Australia? Where are you from? Are you at barber school? Are you a graduate barber? If you've been barbering years, comment down below, let me know. I want to know who's watching my videos, where it's going out to. I hope you're all having a great time, by the way. I hope you're having a great weekend. Positive vibes in this. I know there's a lot of barbers out there that can sometimes be quite negative, especially where we are around our area. There's some kind of local barbers that are quite negative sometimes. It does get you down, but you just got to ignore it. So listen, from me to you guys, if you're ever getting hate, yeah, you're doing something right. Never ever ever listen to negativity. Always be positive. Always walk and talk with a big smile on your face. That's what barbers do. That's what we do. We're here to help people, make people look good, make people feel happy. But also, in that same sentence, we also have to be happy ourselves. And there's people that are going to try and get you down, but never ever listen to them. Ignore it. Big smile. My favourite quote is just block and delete. You got someone being horrible online, block, delete, next. You never have to see them again. Big smiles all around, positive vibes. Do not forget to hit my like button and my subscribe button. Guys, I hope you're enjoying this video. Here's some more music. So now, again, we're doing exactly the same thing. Just above the occipital bone, curving that round slightly, coming high above the ears. We're going to take that bulk out. We're going to use some dry shampoo. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be getting rid of that weight, blending that in, making it look beautiful. So I'm going to be doing a lot more uploads recently, guys. We've renovated the shop. We've turned the back room into kind of a studio. I just need to calm this echo down a little bit. I know you can probably hear an echo around the place. But yeah, I'm hoping to get out more videos. I want to be doing a weekly video on a haircut tutorial. I want to be doing a weekly kind of like a news, like what's in, what's out, clipper wise, haircut wise, and then I want to do a little tutorial on maybe clippers, opening up clippers, seeing how they work, or cleaning out clippers. Just some little handy tips and tricks what I can only not post on here, but post on like TikTok and Instagram as well. If you're not following me on TikTok, my TikTok is Kieron_the_barber. I don't know why it wouldn't let me have Kieron the barber, but very bizarre, it just wouldn't let me. But yeah, we've done the shop up. We're really happy with it. We're just now getting to a stage where all the barbers in the shop, we can start recording. Richmond has just hit 100,000 on YouTube as well. So one of my other barbers, his YouTube is called Clean Fade. I suggest you after this video, not now, no. You stay and watch this video. After the video, you go and you search up Clean Fade and give my good friend of Richmond a follow. So when I'm going at the bottom of the neck, what I like to be doing mainly is, especially with these trimmers, just soft little taps and then shaving upwards. Don't shave downwards. I'll be honest, these clippers are probably a bit too sharp to shave the neck with. That's why you just have to be really, really soft, really careful, really gentle, because they do get really close, but they are really, really sharp. And then again, we're going to do exactly the same thing. We're going to do the dry shampoo trick just on the neck. And the best thing is as well, with the dry shampoo trick, you can use it with a cutthroat. That's what I'm about to do in 2 seconds. So I'll go around the top of the head, the top of the cheek, like that. And then when I cutthroat round, you'll be able to see a clear white line of exactly where you've bladed. So you know that you haven't gone in too far or out too far, or you've left it hanging over. You'll know exactly where that line is, and you'll get the perfect beard trim. final bits of the haircut, just spraying that down nice and wet, getting that nice and saturated. Then we're going to be taking off just over half an inch, just club cut all around, then taking some weight out. I mainly club cut curls is because when you give curls too much texture, they seem to just bounce and frazzle everywhere. You'll get too much frazzle. So when you club cut curls, they tend to stick and grip together a lot easier. So that's the reason we do that for. Then afterwards, we're going to finish with some sea salt spray. Then we're going to use a diffuser with a Dyson. I did borrow Zach's Dyson. My Dyson lasted 3 years and completely blew up. So I'm currently borrowing Zach's Dyson and getting a good diffuse on the hair. And then to finish, a little bit of hair powder and a little bit of plumped got to be spray. It's a spray that you can buy from Superdrugs or Boots or anywhere in the UK. And I love it. It really helps with the curls. It's just a really, really good hairspray. And yeah, this is the finished look. Thank you for watching my video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe and don't forget to look your best, feel your best, change the game. My name has been Kieron the Barber, and I shall see you all in the next video.